So this connector is super simple. Peltor Helmet to a Stilo intercom. All it is two TJ101 connectors with the strain relief cut off. You cut out the inside section where the strain relief connects, so it exposes these terminals a bit better. Do that to both of them. They'll fit inside each other, and then you can index them so you have the correct pin out to each. Simple, it's pin number 1 to 4, 2 to 3, 3 to 2, and 4 to 1. So like I said, this one is super easy to make. Just making sure that your connections are nice and robust. So, terminal 1 is going to terminal 4, 2 to 3, 3 to 2, and 4 to 1. Easy as that. Fill this with some epoxy, put some heat shrink over top of it, and you have a Peltor helmet to a Stilo intercom adapter.